In this Tastytrade tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a stock into a watch list. So let's get started. I assume you have the Tastytrade app, not the website version. I have the app, has tons of more features. And if you can see all the watch lists that I have in here, Forever Puts, 1, 2, 3, Income Factory, Index, Iron Condor, Jade Lizard, Magnificent 7, etc. There's tons of watch list also for Tasty, 52-week high, low, AI stock, etc., that I also use to sell put for income. Watch my other videos. But let's, for example, you want to add Apple into a watch list that you're going to search. You're going to go here to the search bar. You're going to click on Apple. And if you just click one time, it will open all the stocks, the latest stock that you just searched. Search Apple, it will find the stock and it will open all this stuff for you, which is the chart right here. But in order to get to the watch list on this Tastytrade tutorial, we're gonna click here. You see this one, this little I don't know, circle with stuff. You're gonna click on it and it's gonna open all those stuff in here that you can customize to your liking. But if for this specific example, you're gonna pick watch list, okay, and in watch list you're gonna click to lists, okay, and you can do, for example, click add new list. If you already have list, you got here, you can click on the arrow bar, down arrow bar, and pick all this, and you're gonna search Apple right here. I search in the search bar Apple, and I can either put it in one of the watch lists that I have, or I can click add to new list right here, and then I'm gonna call it, I don't know, testing 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna click add to Apple to testing 1, 2, 3, and it will show up on the left bar. Now I'm not gonna do it because I already have Apple in like 50 watch lists, but that's exactly how you add a stock to a watch list on Tastytrade platform. Thanks.